Okay, so here we're going to unbox the Google Nest Mini. Thank you, Google. That was a Christmas gift from Google I received today. UPS came and showed up with it, so that's excellent. And the funny thing is, I was just thinking about buying one of these and looking around at pricing and whatnot. So let's open it up and see what we've got here. And we'll see how easy this actually is to set up. So of course, we've got the little Google Nest Mini here. Well, it looks like I can mount it on the walls or do something with it there. And so I guess wherever's most convenient and not in your way is where you can put your Google Mini. Well, let's come out this way so we got a bit more room to work here. So I'm going to assume that over here we've got power cord here. So let's unwrap this power cord here and we'll see how easy it is to set this up, because yeah, as I said, I was looking at getting one, but I don't know exactly how well they work in terms of setup and ease of use. So we're about to find out. If you're thinking about getting one of these Google Nests or Google Nest Mini, of course, you know, they're compatible. You can use them for a lot of different things. For me, it'll be more calendar, you know, for Google to add things to my calendar or to play music, of course. My Google YouTube subscription for my Google Music is excellent. I love that. So I've got a lot of songs on my playlist, so I'm sure that it'll be very convenient for that sort of thing. So here, I'm just going to plug this in at the outlet here. So I'll pull the camera back a bit so you can see. Just plug it in right there. And now the fun part. I will see if I can find myself a available outlet where it's going to be easy to access and set up here. So bear with me 1 second. I'm just going to set the camera down here and I'll see what I can do here. If I just move this Mini over a bit, over towards the laptop, and I've got a backup power unit, a UPS supply here that I'm plugging into. So the nice thing about that is that if the power goes out, I can still have it connected through the backup power. And in terms of the internet, if the backup power isn't working, of course, I can probably use it to connect via the Wi-Fi on my phone, setting up a Wi-Fi network that way. Okay, so now we've got it all plugged in. I don't know if it's going to reply, but let's say, hey Google. Oh, look at that, eh?
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, thank you, Google. So I'm just going to exit this screen for a second here, and then we'll get the Google Home app here. Okay, so I had to go offline for a few minutes because I was using my the camera on my phone here. But it only took about 4 minutes, and once I downloaded the Google Home app, it took me through the prompts, and it was quick and easy, and now the Google Nest Mini is up and running. Very simple, so let's give it a try. Okay, Google, play me some music.
Okay, music on YouTube Music. Here you go. You can always feel free to ask, what song is this?
What song is this? Hey Google, what song is this?
You're listening to Redneck Paradise Remix by Kid Rock featuring Hank Williams Jr. I've sent more info about this song to your phone.
Hey Google, thank you.
My pleasure. I scored the goal, but your pass was right on the tape.
And that's all there is to setting up a Google Nest Mini. Very quick, very efficient, and hopefully it's going to be very helpful to do things. So let's try one more thing. Hey Google, set alarm for 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Alright, set for tomorrow at 7 a.m.
There you go, that's all there is to it. This has been an unboxing by the Canadian comedian James Kuzno. Find me on www.imdb.me/Canadian comedian.